What is Python? Python is revolutionizing the tech industry, but you may be wondering what all the hype is about. Well, in this video, I'm going to answer the top 3 questions my students ask me about Python. From Instagram to Google, Python is everywhere in the tech industry, and it's not hard to see why. With its versatility, simplicity, and power, Python is becoming the go-to language for everything. From building AI applications to analyzing large datasets, developing machine learning models, and conducting scientific research. But what exactly is Python, and why is it so popular? Why do industries rely heavily on Python? What makes Python so different and better than other programming languages? Why Python is so popular? It has a straightforward syntax, which means that it reads like English, making it easy for beginners to understand. Now, if you have some programming experience, you may say, "But Ninja, we can do all this stuff with other programming languages, so what's the big deal about Python?" With Python, you can solve complex problems in less time with fewer lines of code. This programming language is easy to read, learn, and use. It's a high-level language, so you don't have to worry about complex tasks such as memory management as you do in C++. It's cross-platform, which means you can build and run Python applications on Windows, Mac, and Linux. It has a large and active community, which means whenever you get stuck, there is someone out there to help. Large ecosystem of libraries, frameworks, and tools, which means whatever you want to do, it is likely that someone else has done it before. For a beginner or an experienced developer, Python is a great choice for your next project.
What industries rely heavily on Python? Python is not only a popular programming language among developers, but also has made a splash in some key industries. This versatile language can help automate tasks, analyze data, develop web applications, and much more. In finance, Python can be used for algorithmic trading, modeling, and risk analysis. In healthcare, it can help researchers analyze data and develop predictive models for patient care. In academia, Python has become a go-to tool for data analysis and research. Python's popularity is not limited to these fields. It's also used by popular companies such as Google, Facebook, Instagram, Spotify, and Netflix. So, if you're interested in technology, data analysis, or web development, Python knowledge is a valuable skill to have.
Discover the best free platforms for learning Python. Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world, and there's never been a better time to learn it. But with so many resources available, where do you start? Here are 3 free platforms that you can use to start learning Python today. 1. Codecademy. Codecademy's Python course is a great way to get started with Python. It's entirely free, and you'll learn the basics of Python in a hands-on way. 2. edX. edX offers a variety of Python courses from top universities like MIT and Harvard. Many of these courses are free, and they cover everything from the basics to advanced topics. 3. Coursera. Coursera has a wide variety of Python courses from top universities and industry leaders. Many of these courses are free, and they cover everything from beginner to advanced levels. That's it. Now you know the best free platforms to start learning Python, so what are you waiting for?
What makes Python so different and better than other programming languages? It's a high-level, interpreted language that is easy to learn and adapt, making it ideal for beginners. Python allows programmers to write fewer lines of code to execute complex tasks, resulting in faster development and fewer errors. Syntax: Python has a simple and concise syntax compared to Java or C++, which makes it easier to read and write. Execution speed: Python is generally slower than Java or C++ because it is interpreted rather than compiled. Python can be used for web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence and machine learning, automation, and much more. However, Python has libraries such as NumPy and Pandas, which are implemented in lower-level languages such as C or C++, allowing for faster execution of specific tasks. This versatility and ease of use make Python a language that is valuable for beginners and experts alike. Want to learn more? Visit our YouTube channel.